Hello, my name is Bob Elliott, and I am pleased today to represent the South Carolina Nurse Retention Initiative. Our healthcare providers in Beaufort County and on Hilton Head Island are struggling right now to build the nurse workforce they need to provide quality healthcare for all of us. I could give you a lot of data on the nurse shortage, the number of unfilled jobs, the reason for the shortage, why it's projected to worsen. But I wanted to focus today on the impact and discuss why we should all be extremely concerned about this nurse shortage. Nurses are the backbone of the healthcare system. They work in emergency, intensive care, cardiology, pediatrics, mental health. They work in hospitals, hospice, home care, and they work in our schools. Nurses provide love and support to all of us from birth to death. Nurses save lives and they improve patient outcomes. One nurse will care for approximately 10,000 patients per year. This nurse shortage is impacting our entire community, us as individuals, our family, our children are impacted by this nurse shortage. We may not get the care that we need when we need it. For example, in emergency now, it's about a 3-hour wait in terms of getting in and getting urgent medical attention. We may also experience the impact of a nurse shortage in terms of the quality of care. With additional nurses and improved nurse-to-patient ratios, there's fewer medication errors, lower patient mortality, shorter hospital stays, lower costs, and higher patient satisfaction. There is only one nonprofit in existence which is addressing the nurse shortage, and that's the South Carolina Nurse Retention Initiative. They provide a financial incentive to recent nurse graduates for up to 2 years to encourage them and to thank them for working in primary care in Beaufort County or on Hilton Head Island. A donation from the men and women who care will go towards our 2023 campaign to add upwards of 20 nurses to the program. Specifically, 15,000 would support 2 nurses on the program for 2 years. These 2 nurses would care for 40,000 patients over that 2-year period. There is some good news. The nurse retention program has added 23 nurses in the last 1.5 years, and recently added 5 nurses to the Hilton Head Hospital system. I have personally met with many of these nurses, and I'm extremely gratified to know that we are helping them and we're supporting them as a community. These are single moms. They're from underserved segments of our population. They are first-generation college grads. They want to go on and to further education, and they need our help. They need our support, and they appreciate it. In conclusion, I believe it is in our best interest to support the nurse workforce on Hilton Head Island. The nurse retention program is just one solution, but it has a huge multiplier effect. We support one nurse who touches the lives of 10,000 patients or individuals. I hope you will consider voting for South Carolina Nurse Retention, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video where you can meet a few of the nurse recipients. Thank you.